Hello friends, my name is Anit Kuswaha. Today I will show you how to creating a stunning mountain drawing using just a pencil. Stay still the end for some pro tips to make your sketches even more realistic. So grab your sketchbook and let's get started. Start by lighting a sketching a rough triangular shape for the mountain. Use light strokes, these are just guidelines. Mountains are never perfect triangles. Keep your line uneven and organic to make them look more natural. Identify a light sources and shade one side of the mountain darker. Use short and jagged strokes to mimic rock texture and leave some areas lighter to create the illusion of sunlight hitting the surface. Shading is what gives your mountain life. The more contrast you create, the more realistic it will look. I am giving you some advice for you. Textures make all the differences. Keep experimenting with different strokes, styles to create unique mountain surfaces. Every great artist starts with simple lines. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on your progress. The second name of art is patience. So, nature is the best teacher. Look at real mountain. Notice their shapes, shadow, and textures. The more you observe, the better you will draw. Art is a journey, not a race. So keep going. Every great artwork starts with the simple steps. Keep practicing, and soon you will be creating breathtaking mountain landscape. And that's it. I will have just learned how to draw a realistic mountain with a just pencil. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tips. You use a blending tools या tissue या cloths to soften shadows and create depth. Darken the base of the mountain to anchor it in the landscape. If you try this sketch, tag me on Instagram at the rate Anit Kushwaha so I can check out your amazing work. Keep creating and I will see you in the next video. Happy sketching.